Good afternoon, students. We have started our fourth chapter already and we have finished some topics of chapter 4. The topics we have discussed in our last class are difference, alignments, break, BR tag, HR tag, center tag, paragraph tag. Okay, so these tags we have already discussed in our last class. So we continue our chapter 4 and we starts from changing the appearance of the text. Appearance of the text means how the text will display on our web page and how to change with the help of different tags. So our first is font style tags. With the help of font style tags we can change the appearance of the text. So these tags change the appearance of the text. They are also known as physical markups. So font style tags are also called physical markup tags. Okay, the first one is bold tag. The bold tag means it highlight the text or it will emphasize our text. Okay, normal than normal text. So the bold text is used when you want to emphasize the text. The type B, whatever the text you want to emphasize, you will have to write after this B tag before typing the text which you want to display. It means if you want to emphasize any text, you have to type B before the text. Okay, and after the text you have to close the B tag, so the text will be displayed in the emphasized manner. Syntax is, if you want to emphasize this text, keeps CYL, so you will have to write between opening B tag and closing B tag. This is the first way to change the appearance. Now second way is, if you want to make it italic, to divert the attention of the reader or any important information, italic element is used. It means some text of your book will be written in tilted form. Okay, italic form. This element mark up the text in italic style, typing the text between capital or small, whatever it is. No, it doesn't matter. Between I and closing I tag will change the text in italic format. So this is the syntax. Opening I tag keeps publishing world. This text will be converted into italic format, and closing I tag. Okay. Now another way is underline the tag. If you want to underline the tag, this tag underline the text enclosed in U and closing U tag. Syntax is a practicing software to consolidate your learning. This text will be underlined when you write it in between your code. It will be written between U tag and closing U tag. U is not necessary. It should be capital or small. Okay. Now we will understand with the help of program here. HTML head title we can give creating paragraph. This will be displayed in our web page here, creating paragraph, and the head tag closed. Now in the body tag, here something is written which we have already discussed. This is a comment, and this keeps CYL software is not going to be displayed in our web page because this is for our reading. This is for the programmer. So this is a comment after body tag which is for our understanding. It is written over here. Now there is a center tag. In center tag we have open paragraph tag, bold tag, and between this bold tag this keeps CYL is written. So it means keeps CYL is written in bold format. Okay, so look at here, keep CYL is in between center tag here also, so it will in the center of the page. Now there is another paragraph tag in which I am using underline tag, and the text is a practicing software to consolidate your learning. So this U tag is closed, this P tag is also closed, so it starts from the new line. I am using underline, so our text is displayed in the underline format, this. Okay. Now another is italic tag in which the text is designed by keeps publishing world, underline italic tag closed, and our center tag is also closed here. It means this line and this line, all these three lines are printed in the center of the web page. So designed by Kips Publishing World. This is italic, little bit tilted, not straight, little bit tilted. Okay, so that's why it is called italic. Body tag close, HTML close. Make this program in the notepad and run it, and by saving it .html extension and then run in the browser, you have similar output. Now there is another tag which is called typewriter tag. The typewriter tag will display the text as it will be look like that it will be typed from the typewriter. Okay, so it is TT tag. When you return the text between TT tag or enclosed in typewriter font, then it will be displayed in typewriter format, and the syntax is TT open, TT close. The text keep stream will be displayed in the typewriter format. It will be given in the next page. I will show it to you. Then again, the next is strike. Strike means a line which passes through the center of the text. Look at here. This element draw a line through the middle of the text enclosed in strike. Suppose I have written and, so line between line crossing and from the middle, it will cross if I return it between the strike tag. And then this strike tag you can also write with the help of as. This as tag, closing as tag, or you can write this or this. Both have the same impact on the text. Then there is subscript and superscript. Subscript means which is the text which is written below some usual text. So the subscript element display the text or number in a subscript format. Subscript format means suppose if you write x2, so the 2 is written below the x. The enclosed text or number in subscript and tag appear below the baseline and in a smaller size. The text which is written in subscript will be little bit smaller than our base text. Superscript tag will give the power, the exponent. The superscript element display the enclosed text or number in a superscript format. It means above the text, above the baseline. The superscript and the superscript closing tag place the text above the baseline, which means at the top of the preceding text in a smaller size, and that superscript text will be displayed in little bit smaller size. You can observe the effect of these tags in the following program. Look at the program and you will understand it. HTML head title. I will start from body. In body there is a strike tag. Strike means the text using chemical and mathematical formula. It means a line passing from between this text. Look at using chemical and mathematical formula. So by using a strike tag we are striking the text. Now again, strike tag closed. BR means start from the new line. So this will display from the new line. Bold and underline. It means this text will be displayed in the bold and underline. And underline and bold tag are closed. So chemical formula, it is bold and underline. Okay. Then again, here I am writing some text. This is the text, and after this text I am using subscript. Sorry, I am just keeping first line. Look at here, after this chemical formula, this is the new line. CO, this is the text, and after that I am written subscript, and between subscript I have written 2. It means the 2 is written below O. It is below the baseline, and this 2 has little bit smaller size than CO, so it will be written something like CO2. This is called subscript. Look at the output, CO2. So the 2 is written in the subscript. When 2 is written between the subscript tag, so it will be just before the text, it will be act as a subscript. Then BR tag, it means content from the new line. Then here H is a text, then I am using subscript 2. The 2 is below H here, and then O is normal font size. So here H2O. This is the way to write different text in subscript and superscript. This is both these are examples of subscript. Now displaying mathematical formulae. This is bold, underline. Then again a plus b superscript 2. It means 8a plus b to the power 2. Then look at here, a plus b to the power 2. Then here equals to a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus 2ab. So this will be displayed like this, and this is also like this. Both these are similar, but there is a little bit difference. There is a subtraction sign over here. So these are the various tags. Typewriter text, keep steam. So the keep steam text will be displayed in the typewriter format. Look at here, this keep steam, this is displayed as it is, as it looks like that it is typed with the help of typewriter. Okay, now there is another tag, big, to make the text appear larger than the surrounding text. So whatever you write between big tag, it will appear little bit larger. Okay, small, you can also use small to appear little bit smaller. To make the text appear smaller in size than the surrounding text, you can use small, and whatever you write between a small tag, it will displayed as a small text. Okay, the small tag has the small effect as font size equals to 1. By default the size of the small tag are 1. So here is another example. You can look it into your book. So here we are using a p tag, align tag, b tag, big and small. It means this text is displayed in little bit big size, because big is open here and big is closed here. So this text, till beautiful, love till beautiful, is appeared as a big. So look at here, love till beautiful appeared as a big text, and after that the text will be little bit smaller. So here is a smaller tag in which I am given small and as well as underline. Giving love is greatest pleasure of life. So it will display little bit smaller than the normal text. So look at here, giving love is the greatest pleasure of life. It is little bit smaller and underline, because I am using underline tag with a small tag. So these are the various examples of using big tag and small tag also. Here I am also using paragraph tag, in which I am using align, which is justify. So this topic we have already discussed in our last class, so that's why I have not discussed with you, but these two topics are the new topic, that's why we have discussed. So it is better that you can make the programs on your computer to understand them carefully. Now our next topic is PRE tag. PRE means pre-formatted. Web browser ignores the space and lines within a text while displaying it as a web page. Whenever you write anything as a text in your web page, it will be displayed in a single line in a web browser. To retain the spacing of the text or to display the pre-formatted space, PRE tag. So if you want to display the text as you type in your notepad, you can use pre-formatted tag. So it is used to type poem, tabular data and so on. Type PRE tag before the text, and at the end of it type PRE, closing tag. So here in the body I am using PRE tag. Here God help those, and after giving lot of space, the second line will begin from here, who help themselves. But when we don't use PRE tag, so both these lines will be displayed in a single line by default in the browser. But PRE tag will display as it is, as you type in your notepad, will display on the browser window also. So look at here, as it is, it will be displayed in the browser window also. If you are not using PRE tag, so these two lines are in single line, will be displayed in the browser. Now changing font size, text color and background. This is very important. Font is defined as a style of writing text in a document. Font means in which style. There are various styles of document. HTML provide an option to change the font, color, size and style. Using these tags, you can present the text in a beautiful manner. So look at here. First one is font. Uh, in font, you can use face. Face means in which type you are going to write. Cooper Black, Arial, Times New Roman. So the font have attribute face. The font have attribute face in which you have to give the type of the style. Here I am using font face Cooper Black. So in this font where it is closed, here it is closed. So this text will be displayed in this format also, Cooper Black. The highest reward God give us, this text. Okay. Now then again font face equals to Lucida handwriting. This is another type of face of the font, and this text will be displayed in different format. Look at here, this is in different format. So there are various formats. There are face of the font tag which will display the text according to their type. Okay, so that's all for today. We will discuss the later part of the chapter because this chapter is little bit large, so we will finish it in our 3 classes. In next class we will finish it, and I will also give you question answer in the next class also. So it is better that you can practice all these programs, make the programs on your computer, run it carefully, and if in any type of tag, if any tag you can have any problem, or while running the program on the computer you may face some problem, you can ask me at any time. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye.